Imagine a battlefield where soldiers no longer have to risk their lives on the front lines. Instead, highly intelligent machines take on the most dangerous tasks. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this future is much closer than you think? In today's video, we are diving into the world of unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, and their incredible impact on the future of military warfare. Will human soldiers become a thing of the past? Stick around, because what's coming next in military technology is beyond anything we've seen before, and it's going to change the way wars are fought forever. Let's dive into it. As military technology continues to advance, we are seeing a shift in the way wars are fought. In the past, battles were often determined by the number of soldiers, tanks, and aircraft a country could deploy, but now, technology is taking over, and unmanned systems, like UGVs, are becoming a key part of modern warfare. These vehicles are capable of performing tasks that would otherwise put human soldiers at great risk. Whether it's clearing landmines, transporting supplies, or engaging in combat, UGVs can do it all, without needing a human operator on the ground. The ability to remove humans from these dangerous situations is one of the biggest game changers in modern military strategy. One of the most significant advantages of UGVs is that they can be deployed in areas where it would be too dangerous for human soldiers. For example, in urban warfare, where streets and buildings may be rigged with explosives or enemy combatants may be hiding in every corner, sending in a UGV first can save lives. Equipped with sensors, cameras, and even weapons, UGVs can scout an area, gather intelligence, and engage targets, all without putting soldiers in harm's way. This shift in how military forces operate is transforming the battlefield, as these vehicles can carry out their missions with precision, speed, and, most importantly, safety. UGVs come in many shapes and sizes, and their versatility is one of the reasons they are becoming so essential to modern military operations. Some are small, lightweight robots that can be carried in a backpack and deployed by a soldier. Others are much larger, capable of carrying heavy equipment or even operating in hostile environments for long periods of time. Imagine a scenario where a large UGV can move through a battlefield, delivering supplies to troops while being heavily armored to withstand enemy fire. The use of such vehicles not only reduces the logistical challenges that military forces face, but it also makes operations more efficient. Artificial intelligence, AI, is at the heart of these vehicles, allowing them to make decisions in real time. As AI becomes more sophisticated, UGVs are getting smarter, meaning they can perform more complex tasks with less human oversight. For instance, some UGVs can autonomously navigate through difficult terrains, identify targets, and even distinguish between friend and foe. The integration of AI also allows these vehicles to learn from previous missions, making them more effective in future operations. This self-learning capability is one of the most promising aspects of UGVs, as it means that the more they are used, the better they become. In the near future, UGVs could replace human soldiers in many combat roles. Countries around the world are investing heavily in this technology because it offers a way to project military power without putting human lives on the line. The concept of robotic soldiers is no longer a far-fetched idea. UGVs are being designed to take on combat roles, including direct engagement with the enemy. Equipped with advanced weapon systems, these vehicles can be deployed to frontline positions, where they can engage in firefights, neutralize threats, and even perform rescue operations under fire. What's more, UGVs can operate in environments where humans would struggle to survive, such as chemical or radioactive zones. One area where UGVs are already making a huge impact is in mine clearance. Landmines are one of the most dangerous threats on the battlefield, causing countless injuries and deaths every year. UGVs can be outfitted with special equipment to detect and clear mines, making it safer for troops to advance through mined areas. This ability to perform high-risk tasks without endangering human lives is a key reason why UGVs are seen as the future of military warfare. Additionally, by automating these dangerous tasks, UGVs free up soldiers to focus on more strategic aspects of the mission, making the entire operation more efficient. However, as UGVs become more advanced, questions arise about the ethical implications of using machines in warfare. Can we trust an AI to make life or death decisions? What happens if a UGV makes a mistake and engages the wrong target? These are important questions that militaries and governments will need to answer as UGV technology becomes more widespread. While the benefits of UGVs are clear, their increasing autonomy brings new challenges, particularly in terms of accountability. For now, most UGVs are controlled by human operators, but the future may see fully autonomous machines making decisions on the battlefield. Another major impact of UGVs is their ability to operate in coordination with other unmanned systems, such as drones and unmanned naval vehicles. In the future, we could see entire military operations carried out by unmanned systems working together seamlessly. For instance, drones could provide aerial reconnaissance, UGVs could handle ground operations, and unmanned naval vehicles could patrol the seas, all while being coordinated by a central AI. This type of integration could revolutionize the way wars are fought, as these machines could work together more efficiently than human forces ever could. The ability to carry out missions without the need for human soldiers on the ground is something that has the potential to drastically change the dynamics of warfare. In addition to their use in combat, UGVs have the potential to transform peacekeeping missions and humanitarian efforts. After a natural disaster or in the aftermath of a conflict, UGVs could be used to deliver aid, clear debris, and provide security, all without putting human responders in danger. This versatility makes UGVs a valuable asset, not just for warfare, but for a wide range of military operations. The ability to quickly deploy these vehicles in challenging environments means that they could play a vital role in saving lives and restoring order in the aftermath of a crisis. Looking even further into the future, it's possible that UGVs could evolve into fully independent military units. Imagine a world where an entire fleet of UGVs is deployed to carry out a mission, from reconnaissance to combat to supply runs, all without any human intervention. This level of autonomy could make military operations faster, more efficient, and less costly in terms of human lives. However, with this level of independence comes the need for new rules and regulations. As the technology advances, we will need to consider how to maintain control over these machines and ensure that they are used responsibly. The impact of UGVs on the future of military warfare is undeniable. These machines are changing the way wars are fought, and their potential is only beginning to be realized. From reducing the risks to human soldiers to increasing the efficiency of military operations, UGVs are set to play a major role in the future of combat. As AI and other technologies continue to improve, the capabilities of UGVs will expand even further, opening up new possibilities for how they are used in warfare. So, what do you think? Are UGVs the future of military warfare, or is there still a place for human soldiers on the battlefield? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, subscribe to Military Might TVE, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all the latest developments in military technology. Thanks for watching.